Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a branded sending domain in Klaviyo. This process is essential for improving your email deliverability and building trust with your recipients by ensuring your emails come from a domain that matches your brand. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, sign into your Klaviyo account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can access all of Klaviyo's features and settings. On the left side of your dashboard, locate and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you into the configuration area where you can manage various aspects of your Klaviyo account, including your domain settings, which are crucial for email authentication. Within the Settings menu, look to the left sidebar and click on Domains. This section is specifically designed for managing your email sending domains and ensuring proper authentication protocols are in place for your email campaigns. Now you'll see an option labeled Branded Email Sending Domain. Right beside this label, you'll notice an Add Domain button. Go ahead and click on it to begin the setup process for your new branded domain. This is where you'll configure how your emails appear to recipients and how email providers verify your identity. In the field that appears, input your root domain. This is your main website domain without any prefixes like www. After entering your root domain, click Next in the top right corner to proceed to the next configuration step. You'll now see a field labeled Sending Domain. In this field, type something like send. This creates a subdomain that will be used specifically for sending your marketing emails, such as send.yourdomain.com. This separation helps with email deliverability and tracking. Next, you'll need to choose your routing type. Klaviyo offers two options here, dynamic or static. Dynamic routing automatically optimizes your sending infrastructure, while static routing gives you more control over specific IP addresses. Select the option that best fits your email sending needs and technical requirements. Once you've made your selection, click Next in the top right corner. You'll now be prompted to add a DMARC record to your domain. DMARC is an email authentication protocol that helps protect your domain from unauthorized use and improves deliverability. After reviewing this information, click Next to continue. The next screen will ask you to choose your domain provider and will display step-by-step instructions. Before proceeding, you'll need to find your zone file. To do this, access your DNS provider's website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the DNS management section where you can modify DNS records. Choose the specific domain you want to modify from your list of domains. Then click the option to add a new DNS record. This prepares your DNS settings to receive the authentication records from Klaviyo. After completing these preliminary steps, move back to Klaviyo and click Next. Now comes the crucial part where you'll add the DNS records that Klaviyo provides. These records include CNAME and TXT entries that verify your domain ownership and enable authenticated sending. Copy each record exactly as shown and add them to your DNS provider's interface. This process may take a few minutes, and changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet, though they often update much faster. Once you've added all the required DNS records to your domain provider, return to Klaviyo and click Verify. Klaviyo will now check whether the DNS records have been properly configured and are visible. If verification is successful, your branded sending domain is now active and ready to use for your email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.